I'm in the mood for some delicious smoothie. I'm gonna need some help. Make sure you line it up. There we go. Oh, wow. They call me the Asian Phenom, and I'm the best at what I do because I review everything from A to Z. Today, we are going to take an exclusive look at the VEWIOR multifunctional blender. Wow, this thing is a beauty. So it comes with an instructions manual and two of these 650 milliliters or 23 ounce cup, and one of these 10 ounce 300 milliliter cup. Of course, you have all of these attachments and lid and everything in here. Wow, it even comes with a cleaning brush. Wow, I really like that stainless steel finish. Look at all these options right here. Here's what the bottom looks like. Oh, these are rubber suction cups. Okay, keep it in place. That's well thought designed. Got some ventilation back here. And check this out, guys. Look at this blade right here. This isn't your typical blade. This features a 3D 6-leaf hardened blade design. And for the chopper, it's a 2-blade design right there. Welcome to my kitchen where delicious food is prepared. Who's ready to make some smoothie? But before I do that, I want to test out the chopping function. All right. So this is the nice little container where you can chop up your favorite blend of fruits or vegetables. So I have some walnut right here. Typically I eat oatmeal every morning and I prefer my walnut to be chopped up because it's cheaper to buy it whole. So let's go ahead and pour some of this tasty roasted walnut in here. And make sure you don't go over the fill line. There's a max fill line right there. Okay, so let's go ahead and test it out. And what makes this awesome is that it comes with this is the shaker top where you can use as a seasoning. Let's say if you got some black pepper or some type of spices, and this is a regular cover. But let's go ahead and put the double blade right here. Make sure that everything is in tight. Okay, we're gonna line up the 3 notches according to here, and all you have to do, press it down. See that? So here's how you would use different settings depending on how long you hold it down. So whether it be for chopping, blending, or grating, its maximum power operates at 1000 watts and 25,000 RPM. So as soon as I'm cutting the walnuts, I don't want it to be like pure blend. So, you know, short presses. Unless you want to hold it down for like puree or something. So let's see how this turned out. Look at that. Yeah, so imagine if this was black pepper or something like that. Yeah, then you can add it to your favorite food now. Who's ready for some smoothie? So today I have some Florida orange, and I think this is called a rave apple. I think the combination of the two will be delicious. So make sure you cut up the pieces, and we'll see what I add to the smoothie mix. I'm going to use one of these 650 milliliter cups. Got some of the fruits pre-cut. So just throw it in here. Oh, I'm quite excited. This is going to be delicious. Apple orange mix, always a healthy blend. Okay. And for my solution, typically I would add coconut milk, but I don't have any anymore, so I'm just add simple water and throw some of this ice in there. And don't forget the max line. Ooh, looks like I calculated perfectly. Okay, let's go ahead and put the cover. Oh, don't forget to use the 3D 6 blades, okay? Make sure that's on tight. And here we go. Make sure you line it up. There we go. Oh, wow. Typically for a smoothie, I believe 20 seconds would be good enough. Oh wow, no leaks. That is amazing. Oh, look at that. Look how well blended that is. I don't see any chunks. Ooh wee. And what makes this set awesome is that, check it out. Just take off the blade, and then I can put in one of these sports bottle cap and drink it from the source directly. And you have two of these, so you can create extra juice for the next day and take it with you to work or to school. Let's give this a try. Here we go, guys. First time ever trying a rave apple and orange smoothie mix. Pretty excited. Ooh wee, I'm kind of hungry too. That's unique. I was expecting it to be sweeter. I think because of the rave apple in itself is a tart apple, and the orange isn't the sweetest because of the time of the year. But you can always add additional sweetness to it by adding watermelon or artificial ingredients such as like coconut milk or some type of sweetener. But this is delicious. I know I'm putting healthy ingredients into my body with this smoothie mix. So there are many uses for this blender. Not only can you chop up food to help you prepare your favorite dish, but you can also make your favorite drinks. So if you are in the market looking for the perfect blender to help you around the kitchen, definitely give the VEWIOR brand a look.